Hello, what's up guys? I'm Harry and you're looking Learn It with Harry Will. I'm here with another video. In this video I will show you how to create your own thumbnail on Adobe Photoshop CS6 or CC। हेलो दोस्तों, मैं हूं हैरी और आप देख रहे हैं लर्न इट विद हैरी विल। आज की इस वीडियो में आपको बताने जा रहा हूं कि अपना थंबनेल यूट्यूब की वीडियोस के लिए या किसी पर्पज़ के लिए कैसे थंबनेल बनाया जाए। तो ये बहुत आसान है। इसमें आपको एक अडोब फोटोशॉप CS6 या CC की ज़रूरत होगी। मैं जो यूज़ करने जा रहा हूँ ये अडोब फोटोशॉप CC है। तो ये 2017 वर्जन है, न्यू वर्जन है। तो आज की इस वीडियो में आपको बताऊंगा कि हाउ टू क्रिएट थंबनेल। सो लेट्स गो ऑन द लैपटॉप। आई विल शो यू हाउ टू क्रिएट थंबनेल फॉर द यूट्यूब चैनल। So guys, I'm here on the laptop. Now you can see this is my wallpaper. Yesterday I was make for my video how to create how to get UBL with card, UBL internet card. So this is thumbnail, and how I create this I will show you in this video. You can see this is also how to adjust Windows 8.1 brightness setting. This is my YouTube video thumbnail. So let's start. I show you how to create your own thumbnail for the YouTube videos. First of all, you have to open Photoshop, and after opening this Photoshop, you have to open your picture. You can select your any picture, and after selection you have to edit your picture first you zoom in and then increase the size and click on the plus and just select your picture area, Ctrl Z. Be carefully select this area, and if something happen wrong like this, you can use also this minus tool and then click Ctrl plus J, and this is duplicate layer. You can see this is duplicate layer created. Then after that you can see also this I have this picture. I already changed this background. Just click here like this and open. If you want background, any background, you download any background, click here and search backgrounds. You can select any background for your picture, your thumbnail. There is a lot of backgrounds available on the internet. If you do not want, if you want to create your own color, then open file and click on the new and make this 1180 width and 750 pixel. And select, do not select the inches or anything else, just select the inches and write the name. How to create on just create and okay, click OK. And this is size of our thumbnail for thumbnail. Now if you want your own color, you want to make, just select here any color. For suppose you want this color, drag and drop and now select any another color. I'm gonna select this and now change looking. So now you drag and drop your picture. It's looking too big, just select this, Control T, and then decrease the size. That is too big, just adjust the size. Like this, and click on the OK. And now it's time to write something. For suppose I'm gonna write something. First of all, you adjust the size 48 and create the box, and now you write here how to create some new. Okay, you can increase the size and just adjust it. Adjust anywhere you want and select the font, text, style. That is okay. If you want to change the color, you can also select the color, and for suppose I choose this color. You can select any color, anyone you like, and you can also add your any picture, and you can add anything. You can also here YouTube logo and anything else. If you want to add the YouTube logo, you simply go on the Google and search here YouTube PNG. This is YouTube logo. This is in the style of PNG, and just simply save in your laptop and then go open and click on the downloads. This is YouTube logo, and just drag and drop here. Control D. If you want to adjust the size, Control D. You can increase, decrease the size like this. And you can also add anything. You can also change the color. You can also change the background and anything as you want effect. You want anything you can do on the Adobe Photoshop CS6 or CC. The both are more similar, so I hope you will like my video helpful. You can also, these all tools, this is tool for the color, this is for the cutting the videos, laser tools, magnetic tools, and these also. So I hope you will like my video. If you like my video, please do not forget on the click on the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon for getting a new video. Thanks for watching.